Hi everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I want to show you how to use schedule templates on the GoodNotes app using our Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner. I'm on my iPad Pro with an Apple Pencil. The Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner comes with a special section for keeping daily schedules. This section can be accessed from every page of the digital planner. I'm here on the front cover and I'm going to tap this green clock icon, which takes me to the landing page for this section. On this landing page, I can access the two pre-designed daily schedule templates, or I can design my own schedule template and store it here under this button. These templates can also be accessed on the extras page by tapping the blue plus icon. Back to the daily schedule section. I'm going to tap on the by hour template, copy it, go back to the daily schedules landing page and paste this blank after this landing page because this is where I want my schedule stored. Now I'm ready to fill this in. Let me first point out a design feature of this template. You can write the names of your family members here on the left-hand column. You could write their whole name out or just use initials. As I continue to fill out this schedule, which is for Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, I want to talk a little bit about how I use my planner for scheduling. I've got a color palette that uses a specific color for each family member, and then I have a color when it pertains to everyone or all the kids. So quickly at a glance, I can just see by color who we're talking about. I've written a blog post about this particular family schedule that I'm showing you. I've come up with some solutions for scheduling our work at home, school at home days. So check out that link to the blog post in the description below. So now I labeled this schedule Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. And now I'm ready to create the Wednesday's schedule, which differs a bit from these 4 days. Here's a little tip. If you're filling out your family members' schedules, don't fret about only having one page for schedules. You probably have a schedule that varies from weekdays to weekends or even each weekday. You can always save copies of more than one schedule and then use the index feature in GoodNotes to keep track of them. Just store them all together here under this button tab. So there's many ways to create schedules, but I'm going to show you how I would manage multiple day schedules. So after I filled out this template, I can now copy it and paste it right after the one I just copied. Now I'm going to erase and make this the Wednesday schedule. And then I can just make edits that differ because it's so similar to the other days. It's easier to just erase what I need to and fill in the new information. So that's just one of our templates that I like to use, but we've also got this template that comes with the planner, which allows for longer to-do lists for mom as well as details for each family member's schedule. So you have the choice of either one. Thanks for watching. Please comment to let us know if you have any questions about digital planning. Be blessed and have a great day.